Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about creating visual harmony. We will learn how to balance color pattern and texture to make beautiful design. So let's get started. Point number 1. Understand visual harmony. Visual harmony means arranging things in a pleasing way. It's important to have a good balance of color pattern and texture in your design. These make everything look nice and work well together. Point number 2. The importance of color. Color are very important for visual harmony. You need to choose color that go well together. Color that are next to each other on the color wheel or color that are opposite each other upon look nice together. Point number 3. Choosing pattern wisely. Pattern can make your design interesting, but you have to be careful. You should not use too many patterns that are very busy. Try to use patterns that look good together and have a similar theme. Point number 4. Playing with texture. Texture can add a special feel to your design. You can use different texture to make things look more interesting. For example, you can use smooth and rock texture or shiny and dull texture together. Point number 5. Utilizing the rule of threads. The rule of thread is a helpful trick for making your design look balanced. Imagine dividing your design into 3 equal parts, both horizontal and vertical. Try to place important things along these lines are where they meet. Point number 6. Balance light and shadow. Having the right amount of light and shadow is important for visually harmony. You want to make sure things have deep and do not look flat. Use soft or natural light to avoid harsh shadows. Point number 7. Symmetry and asymmetry. Symmetry means having things that are the same on both sides. Asymmetry means have things that are different but still looks balanced. You can try both and see what works best for your design. Point number 8. Emphasizing focal point. Focal point are the important thing in your design. You want to make them stand out. You can use color, contrast or size to draw attention to them. These help create a balanced look. Point number 9. Simply and declutter. Sometimes less is more. If your design looks too crowded, try removing something. These help people focus on what's important and keep everything looks neat. Point number 10. Consider cultural and emotional association. Different color pattern and texture can make people feel different things. Think about what message or feeling you want to convey with your design. Choose element that match that idea. Point number 11. Experiment with color psychology. Color can affect how people feel. Some colors make people feel happy while others make them feel calm or excited. Try using different colors together to create the mood you want. Point number 12. Pay attention to contrast. Contrast means having things that look different from each other. It makes your design more interesting. You should have some contrast but not too much. It helps things stand out without being overwhelming. Point number 13. Use negative space strategically. Negative space means empty space in your design. It's important to have some empty space so things do not look too crowded. Give your design some breathing room.